Okay, guys, welcome back to another amazing video this morning. If this is your first time on this channel, I'm Isaac, and I trade forex, trade cryptos, trade indices, trade precious metals. You know, yeah, we are just here to make money. But in this particular video, I just like to share something important with you. So if you are a beginner trader or an intermediary trader, this particular video is for you. Okay, just listen to my experience, whatever I'll be sharing with you in this particular stream, okay? As we take our normal journey or our usual walking this morning, okay? So, okay, welcome back. So, guys, whatever I would like to share with you in this particular video is just about giving yourself time, okay? Patience is the number one rule of this particular game, the trading game. Patience is the number one rule you must observe. It's a must. You must observe it. Now, what I mean by that is, whenever it comes to trading, you know, we just beginners. If you are beginning, your intuition or your intuition will not align with the market, and then the zeal you have at the beginning is just to make money. Okay, you know that there are a lot of money to be made in the industry, but you don't know how to do it, and then but you feel that you want to make money, but you know what? You must first understand that you must be in tune with the market. You must be in tune with the market. You must understand the psychology behind the market. And how will you do that? Is by spending time with the chart. Spending time with the chart. Now, as I've started trading, from my first year, second year, third year, I dedicated myself to studying the charts. Okay. Now, the chart is a reflection of what is actually happening in the domain of the market. The chart is telling you the market participants, their operations, their behavior, whether they are buying or selling. It is what the chart is revealing to you. So the chart is revealing to you the transactions or the operations that are being carried out in the domain of the market. Every minute, every seconds, every 5 minutes, the chart is going to tell you that. So before you can develop and reach that level, you must be in tune with the market. You must spend time with the market. Spend time with the chart. Spend time with the chart. Especially, what will work for you is, whenever it comes to the charts, most people, we understand that the charts is a true reflection of the transactions that are happening in the market. That means there are repeatable patterns that you observe. So if you want to develop at a faster rate, your ability to focus on these repeatable patterns and watch them over and over, study them, how they play out, will give you that intuition, or that will help you to be in tune with the market. Okay, I hope you are getting me. So spending time with the chart, you are not wasting your time. Okay, you are not just wasting your time. That is the first thing. And then people always say focus on one candlestick. Focus on one currency pair or focus on one asset, and that is going to help you. Guys, I also believe that focusing on one particular currency pair or one particular asset or index metal will help you, but it will limit your scope of understanding of market. It will limit your understanding of the market. So if you are starting out and then you want to grow at that faster rate, you must make sure that you are studying a lot of pairs. Guys, study a lot of pairs. Just have time with the market. Okay? Have time with the market. Spend time, observe the repeatable patterns. And how will you observe? How will you do your observation? The first thing I've said is you take a pattern, let's say an engulfing pattern, that particular candlestick formation. or a triangle formation, ascending or descending. You just take one. I connect with you from Swaziland. Welcome, welcome, welcome. So you must understand that the first step is just taking one particular pattern. But how do you do this? You watch it from the higher time frame. If you are a beginner, please, you begin to watch these patterns from the higher time frame, because all whatever will be happening on the lower time frame is a true reflection of the higher time frame. Okay, so you just focus on just that pattern, and then you watch it from the higher time frame. So watch multiple pairs, study them. Give yourself time. Give yourself time to study the pairs. Don't just limit yourself. At first, as I was also beginning, I came across this tutorial online that just focus on, let's say, GBP USD, or just focus on gold. And then, guys, you are just limiting yourself. Okay, for you to have that intuition and then be in tune with the market, understand the behavior of the market participants. I told you in the other stream, it's not about what you are seeing. Candlestick are just indicators of what actually happened in the market. Okay, so if a buyer buy, or there are huge orders coming into the market, buy orders coming into the market, price move from one particular price level to another level. That is what the chart or the candlestick or the bar chart or the line chart will show you. Is an indicator telling you price has moved from this particular region to this region. But is the candlestick causing that to happen, or is the shape of the candlestick causing that to happen? No, it's the people trading in the market. So you spending time analyzing multiple markets. It's not you trying to focus on candlestick. You are trying to understand the actual behavior of the players of the game, how they behave, and then their behavior is similar. Guys, the behavior is similar. The patterns are repeatable. Okay, the patterns are always repeatable. You watch an engulfing candlestick pattern formation on GBP USD, and then you watch that same candlestick formation on gold, and then they all give you the same result. Meaning, when you are studying, you are actually studying the behavior, how they behave. That is how come they come up with this theory, Wyckoff, and all those stuffs, because they are just behaviors of the market participants. So you give yourself time and watch. Let's say today you dedicate yourself to watch the weekly time frame, which I will recommend, because all your dealings are going to be within a week, a month, a day. Those are the higher time frames. So we, the retail traders, the average retail traders, we must understand how the weekly time frame works. Okay, so for instance, if let's say last week or the just ended week closed as a very bullish week, like let's say USD CHF, you can go and check that setup. The just ended week closed as a bullish week. So what is the next move? What is that telling us? The players, the people that will be buying or selling, how will they be thinking, and where will they be getting involved? The big players. So you giving yourself to study the weekly time frame actually going to give you the framework on how to operate. So I'm long. You can go and check your chart, USD CHF. I took a long position yesterday, and then I'm planning to hold that position for at least a week or two, to see how it will unfold. You can go and check it out. Why? Because I've seen that the previous week, the just ended week, has closed bullish, and then as this week began, yesterday Monday, I've seen price trade down to a level, to a zone where I've seen most participants are going to be getting involved. They will be buying, because I've watched that pattern repeat over and over again. Okay, it's a pattern I've watched. It's a behavior model I've watched. Okay, so that give me the confidence. That give me the confidence. It's not about the candlestick pattern. No, as price closed, as the previous week closed, bullish, I understand. Okay, so if the previous week closed bullish and price the following week retraced back to this particular price level, the big boys, the big players will be looking to go long. And then lo and behold, I've seen the confirmation price has been delivered into the zone, and then I've seen the reaction coming into the market, and I've also got involved, set my stop loss and then my target. That's all. Okay, so you give yourself time to study the behavior pattern weekly and daily. Very, very, very important. If you understand the weekly, the daily, how price is being delivered, it will show you the behavior of the big players. That will lead you to, whenever you are on the lower time frames and then you are trading 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 minute. You know, when you are a beginner, you want price to move very, very fast. I want to trade the 1 minute. I want to trade 5 minutes because you have that joy. But you don't understand what is actually happening on the higher time frame, and that is how most people don't make money. Most of the retail traders don't make money. So you just have a feel that price has to be moving fast, fast, fast. But whatever is happening on the 1 minute is having a relation with whatever is going on the weekly time frame. And if you understand what is happening on the weekly time frame, it will be easier for you to trade on the 1 minute, the 5 minutes, the 15, the 1 hour, because you understand the domain of the market and how the participants are operating in the market. So, guys, I would just like you to understand that spend time with your chart. If you are beginning, you are going to make money, but not the market doesn't reward those that are in haste. The forex market will not reward you if you are in haste. Relax, be patient, and then spend time with the market. Give yourself time and study the behavior of the market. Study the formations. Okay, take 2-3 formations and study how they play out, how they work from the weekly, daily, and then to your time frame that you may be trading on. Okay, else you'll just be completely lost. You'll be confused. You don't know why price move from this area to this area. You will not be in tune with the market. Okay, so spend time. Market will reward you in the long run. 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, you will get it. Okay. I think I am not discouraging people. You may have it at the back of your mind that you start to make money within the next 1 month, 2 months, 3 months in the market. It's possible, but for that to be possible, there are a lot of things you have to do. Okay, so guys, this is what I would like to share with you. Give time, study the market, and then things are going to work out for you. Okay, and don't rely on one particular pair. Study a lot of pairs because you are new to the industry. Study a lot of pairs. Give yourself time, like 7 pairs or 8 pairs a week. Study them, and that is going to help you to develop very, very fast. Guys, I love you. I will see you tomorrow, but don't forget, if you are new, subscribe and join the community. I'm just going to share with you my normal day life, but don't forget, go and watch the USD CHF. It's not an investment advice. It's just something I'm trading. I've entered a long position. I will screenshot the setup and then, or I'll record a short video and upload. You see that I'm in that position. I opened that. I took that trade yesterday. So if you like to watch it, you can go and watch it. It's still playing. I took the trade on a weekly time frame, so there are still more room. So there is no haste. Okay, so guys, join the family, subscribe, and then you just connect with me. I will share my mind myself with you. That's all. Bye bye for now.